This is hive number 516, mag tree. These are all at the mag tree. Okay, it had queen cells. It had one capped queen cell on the 16th. On the 23rd I looked and I didn't see the queen, but that don't mean nothing. Got 3 frames. Find me a hive tool. Take the top off. It's got bees on it. I didn't squish any, which means they didn't bite me or sting me. Little bees will bite you, by the way. Can't feel it, but they can do it. One of the frames they're looking at. They're not building it on it yet. They're working on it. I mean, they're looking at it. I guess they would say got 2 frames. But we're going to need to put them in a different box, because it's got some wax moth crackings on the bottom of it. So we'll put them in a different box today. This is filled up with nectar, has a little honey on it. Same thing with that side. Possible now, it was just a bad hot week for these bees to fly out and get mated, or else they flew out to get mated and then they got burned up in the sun. No sign of a queen. We may have a place to put most of my queen cells. Right there, see that mark? That means there was a capped queen cell there. This one here has nectar and honey. We're going to give them a little bit longer, because it's possible that the queen is out right now. She may be on a mating flight today. Been about that long. Actually, she should have done mated and come back. And she could be on the side. But we have some wax moth trails at the bottom. I got a box back here. We'll change boxes out. Give them a couple of days, and then we'll come back. If there's still no sign of a queen, we will put a queen cell in there. Y'all have a great day. Give us a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. We're going to run up on some good ones here in a little bit. Y'all hold on. Bye-bye.